Android random restart fixed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to fix random restart on Android, simply first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, all you have to do is tap on about phone option over here and select your version and make sure that you have the latest version of your device. You can just tap on check for updates and start checking for any sort of updates on your device. Next, you can just go back and then all you can do over here is launch the Play Store application on your device, and you can just search for any sort of antivirus application on your device over here. You can install whichever option that you get in your Google Play Store, because a lot of times the random restart option are due to different viruses that are attacking your device over here. So you can just get any of this antivirus and get your device fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.